Assalamu alaikum viewer, this is our third lecture on mathematica, numerical calculation and built-in function. Let's start with numerical calculation, built-in function. In this lecture we will focus on how we add a simple number, subtract, divide and multiply the number in MATLAB. This one is simple one. If you want to add two number, then you can use a plus b. Simple. Suppose you have first number is a and the second number is b. Then you want to add a and b, then you calculate a plus b. Same function can apply for subtraction, a minus b. If you have, suppose you have a number, let's you write a number capital A equal to 2 and capital B equal to 3, then you will use a plus b, then the result is 5. No, you also be write small a equal to 2 and small b equal to 3. Then when you use a plus b, and here is some function, you fix in your mind that in this lecture we are learn 5 basic rule, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and the power. I am discussed this one before, but I am going on the example. First of all, you want to add two number, that is 1 to 1 plus 4 to 5 2. This when we use this one in mathematica, then the result is 573. This is so simple and like as over computer. What is this? And this is the basic math. I will discuss all about that these things in mathematica screen. In mathematica screen I tell you everything about the basic mathematics and this command, but we don't need necessary for this. We can write anything with simply keyboard and use that rules. Okay, if you want to multiply any two number, then you a steric b. If you want to divide any two number, then we use a slash b, then the number is divided, and the power sign is this is right here, a power b. Okay viewer, we will meet in next lecture with some new about mathematica. Thank you very much.